talking about a sugar booger flavor.
Jarvis,
Boo.
Shelly Ojo,
Ew.
security. I know there's gonna be
Work every day till we meet ends. Have to turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend. Tell me why.
Stop divinity. What's up, hi beautiful world? Bear nice and I, right? Okay, I'm at the club. I just finished the main class. My drink yesterday. So I'm here waiting on my driver to head back home. I have some editing to do. I have to wake up early in the morning. I have makeup to do. So yeah, I'm just here. So Team Divinity, well going. Good morning. I'm here. And then they so dark. They're waiting on a client. I have my little setup right there, so she coming to me. As you can see, my brows them done. You're probably wondering what. And yeah, when nobody say them look ticky, because they are. Look closely. You see all of that? It's hairs. Like I don't over like draw my brows or whatnot. I don't know. People always have a problem with how my brows are. Well, yeah. Say, oh, they're so thick. Like I'm not gonna thin out my brows, and I like them like this. So, but anyways, so the reason why my brows is done alone so far, because I'm going to film a video after I finish with her. Yes, I just getting my face right. I'm actually going to do my part 2 to my Snapchat Q&A, and so have to get up this early and do it. It's like after 9, so I decided to get up and do it because I need to answer these questions before the 24-hour mark, before them start, you know, disappearing. So yeah, that's what I'm up to and stuff. Gotta fix my hair. I took a shower, fixed my hair. I think I'm gonna start my makeup though in the meantime till she reach. Yeah, that's pretty much. I really want to sleep though. I'll probably just film and go. I don't even know. The vlog, yo, vlog 63 is uploading right now, yo. That vlog is gonna be a long vlog. It's like 40 little bit minutes. I've never done a vlog that long, and there's nothing that significant about this vlog anyways. It's just ended up being a long vlog, even though I know this is what you guys like. But honestly, don't get too excited about that because it's a lot of work. That vlog have been rendering and saving from 2 o'clock this morning. From 2 o'clock this morning. I know it's after, I'm gonna tell you the exact time. No, it's now 9:38, guys, and from 2 o'clock the vlog they are saved this morning. So yeah, I can't do that every single time. It was so much work, you know, and I have other videos to edit. Y'all know I'm juggling with 2 channels, yo. It's a lot of work, but y'all know what keep me going is just, you know, the love when I have feet. I just love it so much that I just look past all the work. You know, I really do love it. I'm even gonna try to film like my first makeover Mondays right now for the season with this client that are coming to me. So yeah, I'm happy with how much work I'm getting done, yo. Oh my gosh, y'all don't even understand. But yeah, so so I'm just do my face, like, but I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna make it sit, like the powder sit on it while I do her face, make it go and bake. But I basically finished because she don't reach yet, so I just say, you know what, I'm gonna do my face. This is how I look. Guys, so I'm here. We're going to head out by the Plaza real quick. Misha, me and mommy, you know, do a little grocery shopping. But I literally just finished film, like, oh my gosh, in Space yesterday and today I did like 5 videos. I'm so happy. I did a tutorial on how I lay my wig like this, the same wig that I got from Eva Wigs, which I am absolutely loving. I have a code makeup by Petite-Sue for you for you to get like $35 off. But all of that going to be in the tutorial and all of that. It's gonna be on my main channel, Petite-Sue Divinity, so just look out for that. It's up on my channel right now. yeah, so for my channel I uploaded that yesterday, so check that out. And I did a get ready with me, and that's gonna be up tomorrow. I did my first part to my Snapchat Q&A as well. And oh my gosh, when I did that, the month I snapped that, I was through with it, but a lot of people were sending like immediately after. So I was like, you know what, alright, I'm going to do a part 2. So I did like a part 2, but the thing is I didn't get as much questions. I got a lot of shout outs, so it's like, you know, half and half. So it's like a shout out / Q&A. So that's gonna be up like the follow-up is gonna be like next week Thursday. The first part is gonna be up on my vlog on this channel this Thursday. And I also did the mother-daughter tag. A lot of you guys were suggesting that, you know, mommy and I do that, since, you know, I did a boyfriend tag and I did the sister tag. So I did that for you guys today. It was so much fun. And yeah, but for like the shout out to a lot of you guys, like I remember I snapped that, you know, Shami came up with a little idea that, you know, I should have like an apparel and, you know, call it Divinity Gang or Divinity Clan. And I was all for it because I'm like, that sound dope, that sound cool, like yes, you know, I always had it in the back of my mind that I want to do something like that, where I would get shirts or so with like my brand or whatnot. And Petite-Sue Divinity is really my brand, but you know, to shorten things, Divinity Clan sounds so cool, or Divinity Gang, you know, with a little emoji on it, like that would be so nice. So that I'm definitely going to jump on that. Plus you guys encourage me even more, and you guys motivated me even more. For all the people that follow me on Snap, you would have seen where I snapped that. So that was the first place I mentioned that. I know I'm telling you guys again on my vlog. So yeah, this week I plan to even start, you know, working on that, because it's that serious. Like me never did even have this in the back of my mind, and it just come up in my head like Friday night, and I'm working on it already. But it's gonna be out there. Like it's the first time I'm doing anything like this, so super new to this. But you know, there's a first time for everything, so hopefully this goes well. And you know, the good thing to know is that, you know, I have you guys support, and I just hope that you guys really support, you know, when I put them out and all of that. But I'll keep you guys posted though. I'm gonna do like some for myself first, like for me and mommy them and stuff, so we can, you know, see, you know, let you guys see how it look, you know, and all of that. I want to get snapbacks as well, because that's mad dope. I like wearing hats, so that would be so cool, like so cool. So tell them how them always have on the same thing, guys, and the vlog them. Mommy them, she don't believe me. Don't always see her don't always see her in a 2 dress. One pretty one way.
At time that she choose to come Plaza, yeah, people.
She love wearing the dress.
Yeah,
she have more stuff. Mommy, come, which aisle you going to?
I'll just tell me.
No, so isn't there anything that you need specifically? Why? What up, Divinity Gang? It's Sunday, it's Valentine's Day. I know that's not why I'm wearing red. I didn't even realize, to be honest. Look at me. Valentine's wear. But happy Valentine's Day to all the lovebirds out there. Even though you guys gonna be seeing this. Monica, we all look for myself. You want to see the way Monica look? Monica. We all look for myself.
Really?
We all look for she wrote her dinner. You want to see the plate? Aye. Monique, the people them say they miss you, know, somebody say Monique absent from the vlog too long.
Really?
Yeah. Monica lie. A lie. You, when you see me a vlog, you run with gone boy your business. I know say a true.
Tell them hello. We miss them to one love.
What is man? Wait, you say me for ask them about them Valentines what go on? Monique want fast now in the live. She asked what go on for no Valentines. So tell her down below in the comments. She asked what now go. What y'all doing for Valentines, you know? Are y'all switching up the game? What y'all doing different? Are you keeping it cliche? Roses and chocolate and all that ish? Are you going skydiving to make it different? What you say about Valentine's, Shami? You know right, it no make no sense. It better not make no sense for you. Both. You better know. You better know it. Both. We are Lord God, boy. She better know say it no make no sense. She and Brianna for know say Valentine's make absolutely no sense.
That is so true.
Better know it.
I'm up on Brianna little kid. But tell her Sam publish every book when she has studied.
Wait, she jump up a while ago like Charlene and mommy. Shami, say Valentine's don't make no sense.
Should not be.
Exactly. So you and Brianna is paired together. So I don't know what's your deal. Well, you might be a couple years older. Brianna. Yes, Brianna. Eh? Which part she did? She remember. I think I sleep. She does sleep as always. Cause she was asleep. I'm going to start editing this Get Ready With Me. Yes, so guys, I'm editing this Get Ready With Me. Yeah, so that's what's up. So the other night, remember in the previous vlog when I went and I bought ice cream? When I went and I bought ice cream over at the Plaza with Shami them, and I bought chocolate ice cream from mommy and I, and my buy for Shami too. So we ate our ice cream. I gave mommy her ice cream. So mommy have this way now. When I buy it for mommy put it down for 1 year. I buy it for she eat now. So anyways, hungry by one of the night them, and we see the ice cream. So I asked mommy, what's up with this ice cream? Mommy said, mom ice cream. I said, alright, just give me buy it back here. I never want to get it, you know. No, mommy's like, she want back her ice cream. So we're gonna go to Devon's go buy. What? What? I ain't buying waffle cone for nobody. Sure. So I'm gonna go buy about mommy ice cream soon. Plus it's Sunday. I wanted some ice cream anyway, so yes. You guys asking me what kind of hair is some people, but telling you in the last vlog, so this is a wig from Eva Wigs. It's a human hair lace wig. It's nothing that special, but it's a very nice wig and I love it because it looks so natural. Yes, Sunday dinner. Got some vegetable right there, scotch bonnet pepper, french fried chicken, rice and peas. You know, I'm gonna grub on all this goodness. Yeah. So it's night time now, guys, obviously. When you guys saw me did have my hair in the bonnet, so I just let it out. So we're gonna buy ice cream. Buy what mommy ice cream when we eat off. Me and this one. And Brianna actually want ice cream tonight. And I did tell her, I think in the previous clip I told you guys about the whole Divinity Gang thing. Then if you not like the look of the thing, then I'll actually do more shirts and hats for the whole Divinity Gang, you see it. So everybody can just step out in them the Divinity Gang shirt and hat and, you know, always be repping. Yeah, like I'm so nervous about it. But it's going down. It's going down. And I know, like when I say something, like when I say I'm gonna do something, like when I'm dead serious about it, I actually work towards it. Like me no make excuses, me just go after it and deliver as it. I say I'm gonna put up a video tomorrow. I must shut down my computer, shut down for me. I'm gonna come back with an excuse, but I try my utmost best to get it to you guys. So yeah. So guys, we reach out at Plaza now. I know, even though I said it's at Devon's outlet, we're going not actual Devon's because I don't have the time to go up there, so I just buy some ice cream now. But if I pass up there, I stop up there and buy ice cream. But all up there, so, you know, Shami, up there supposed to be like ridiculously packed, like with people. Like, no, sir. Look there, watch out, Tessa. Or to have people like rice. Yeah. Why ought to have a full up just because of Valentine? On a regular night, out there do full up stuff.
If Crunchy Munchy, if I'm not have that, the one still.
Them and so guys, me say we go out there say no. The Devon House outlet from around 8 o'clock. And we just get through. It's ridiculous. I don't know if I try Valentine's.
Tell them what time it is. It's almost 9.
It's almost 9 o'clock.
2 minutes.
I stand up for about like an hour. I wait for get through. I say, oh, that's never full of people. So yet. Yo, I swear people are sample. Yo, yeah, that's what I'm telling you. You can't remember that the previous clip I say, yo, imagine up at Devon House. If you go Devon House now, I tell you the crowd now cool down till all. Them near for lock off. All when them see them lock off, they can't lock off. Because once it's a holiday, things just get out of hand. I tell you out of the Plaza dead pan a Sunday night. 1 and 2 people you will still come buy ice cream, yeah. But not much. But right now, see them a drive all reach. Even though I'm early, I tell him not to come, so him reach. I have to go to the club, go do makeup, so.
So mama do it out here.
My mommy a call off my phone. Afternoon divinities, we're gone. Divinity game. I'm here. I'm waiting on my driver. I'm going to just make a quick road run, you know, real quick, real quick, and then come back home. Oh my gosh, I love these glasses so much. You guys probably figured that out by now, though. The amount of time when it's time wear it, but just a quick run, nothing serious. Yeah, just heading over by Portmore real quick, come back, have this vlog to start editing so you guys can get it by tomorrow. Today is Monday, so yeah, you guys will be seeing this tomorrow. Oh, Snapchat Q&A part 1 will be up here on my vlog channel Thursday, and then the mother-daughter tag will be up on this channel on Sunday, so look out for them there. Don't forget it, write it down. Yeah, just look out for those. And Monique could hear that in the background. And yeah,
long time me a watch ya. Say me never see another girl answer.
My have a question, my ask ya. You think you're strong enough to take me on and damage on my boxer?
I want make you full of chatter. Make sure when I see you, you ask her.
Me I bring all my friends, we come slap ya.
Do what you want, girl, you know me not stop ya.
Make sure you can call.
No take bad breed for no job.
Hold up your head where you are cry about. Remember your lie where you no feel lie about. The lie the too deep can't climb out. To how your body feel make me find out. Say your brother know the brother where you pint out. Cause him slide in when your nether brother slide out. Wonder how much of your brother them a hide out. Girl you better take that brother you out of your line out. My heart now broke through you, ooh you.
Call your phone 3 o'clock. Me no get you, me call back. If you know say the thing lock. Look how you fat. And I me alone for you get that. Pull it up again from top. Wine for the wine don't stop. Me a carry your car the bus stop.
You know, and I know.
yes, I'm here talking to my girl, Future's coldest, Nisha. You know about Nisha? She vlogs. My nigga, the patty too hot. Shama just bought me a nice chicken cheese patty. Yes.
Where's for the future coolest?
Future coolest. Yeah, so she name on Instagram.
Oh, so nice of that.
Yeah, Future coolest on Instagram. So yeah, we want to collab, you know. Yeah, if you guys don't know about our channel, I'll probably link it below for you guys, you know, and let you guys check her out. She vlogs. She's not Jamaican, she's Canadian, but she vlogs here in Jamaica. Like that's when she vlogs most. She vlogs when she's in Canada, but she likes to vlog more here in Jamaica because she's in a LDR like myself. Her boyfriend lives here in Jamaica, but you know, my boyfriend lives in the States, so it's like a opposite thing. But yeah, so she's always here. She's such a beautiful soul. Her personality is so nice, and so we want to do a collab, you know, makeover Mondays to start back. Y'all are getting mad questions about that. Working on the episodes, you know, I already went ahead and filmed my first episode. Look out for that. I wanted to put it up like Monday I come, but I'm not sure yet. I want to have like 5 episodes done before I start, you know, publishing. But yeah, so wonder that and thing, so y'all can get that. And yeah, so as I said, because people asking me if I don't know no other Jamaican vlogger, but even though she's not a Jamaican vlogger, she has a lot of Jamaican in her stuff. So I'm gonna link her channel below so you guys can check it out, see what she's up to, and such and such and such. Yep. Shami attacking this party though. Shami a murder. You murder the fries though. Look how quick you done the party there, Shami.
Yet stay too bad. They start vlog late. Just because you if you don't want to take it.
Oh no, mega eat it, girl. Don't you see I'm vlogging? Like I can eat and talk at the same time. What's your problem? So guys, I am so excited. I just called and found out, you can't shut up, found out some information about the shirts and the hats.
Soon.
Go and go change your clothes. Go and change your clothes. It's gonna be a simple thing, like it's not gonna be no extra. It's just a regular little t-shirt, you know, thing. Yeah, with Divinity Gang, you know, Team Divinity. I just, that way I promote it.
Coming to a place near you sooner than you think.
From myself. It's not nothing too serious, but you know, just so you know that, you know, make people know that you repping Team Divinity all day, honey. Yes.
Yeah.
Are you a divinity? Are you? Like, are you a genuine divinity?
Yeah.
Are you? You are? Then you need to have a divinity shirt. And you were a total jerk to not. Oh yeah. You think no one night needed to wear the bail out. No, almost bail on my birthday. Oh yeah. She's being a donor. You know, she's like, I don't want to drink, I don't want to nothing. She's like, tired from what? Did you go to work today? What did you